Are message requests not working on the Discord app? If message requests aren't appearing, you can't receive requests from other users, or the feature isn't working as expected. In this video I will show you how to fix message requests on Discord app. First thing you have to do is to go to Discord app, as you see here. Then in this page you will click on your profile. After that you will move to settings, you will tap on settings. Then here in this list of settings you will go to content and social. In this list of content and social, what you will find is message requests. So as you see here, it's already turned on. So if it is changed to this color, then you can know how to fix it and how to enable it. You will make sure that it is enabled. So please don't forget